So question number 10 is given to you. So you keep the textbook in front of you so that the questions can be understood, and I will also try to show you the questions if it is very big question. Okay. So here the function is given to you that f of x is equals to 2x cube minus 24x plus 107 in the interval of closed interval 1, 3. Find the maximum value of the same function. See here, find the maximum value of this function in the interval of closed interval 1, 3, and also same function in the closed interval -1, -3, -1. So in both intervals we have to find it. So how do we find out the maximum value? Can anyone give the reply? First, what we have to do? 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 Anyone? Normally, to find out the maximum value, क्या करना है?
Sir, first derivative.
Yes, first derivative. No, that doesn't matter. First, we have to do the differentiation of the given function. We have to do the differentiation of the given function. After doing the differentiation, we need to find out the critical points. At the place of critical points, and as well as if the closed interval is given, and the starting point of the closed interval and the ending point of the closed interval. In both the places, you need to find out the. Did you get my point here? So here, what we have to do? We have to find out closed interval. Closed interval is given. So starting point of the closed interval, ending point of the closed interval, and the critical points. In all these points, function how it behaves. Function how it behaves, you need to find out. Okay, did you get my point? So first, what we have to do, we have to find out the derivative of the given function, that is f dash of x. Find out for. So f dash of x is equals to, what do you get? Tell me. If you say that I'm 6x square minus yes 24. That's what. So you have to take the 6 common here. Then you are going to get x square minus 4. So next, what you have to do to find out the critical points? Critical points find out करना है तो. Critical points find out करना है तो क्या करना है? You have to make f dash of x is equals to 0.
Sir, f dash x equal to 0.
Very good, very good, very good. So then you are going to get from this x square x square minus 4. X square minus 4 is equals to 0. X square minus 4 is equals to 0. So from this you are going to, because f dash of x means 6. 6 is also there. Okay, that doesn't matter if you're not right also. Then from this you are going to get x square is equals to 4 aayega. Then from this x is equals to plus or minus 2 you are going to get. So then what we have to do now? To find out the maximum value, absolute maximum. Maximum is nothing but completely maximum. Here maximum value is nothing but absolutely maximum. Means in all the values which is maximum. That we need to find out. So here therefore x is equals to plus 2 and minus 2 are the critical points. Plus 2 and minus 2 are the critical points. So x is equals to minus 2 comma plus 2 are critical points. So these are the critical points. So we need to find out the function value at the place of minus 2, 2 and 1 and 3. We have minus 2, plus 2, 1 and 3. In all these places you need to find it. So f of minus 2, find out the value, some value you are going to get. I'm not going to do this one also because it is a very simple task for you to do. And f of plus 2 you do it. F of 1 you do it. F of 3 you do it. In all these, which is maximum, that is the maximum value of the function in the interval 1, 3. Because at least this part, if you are doing that, it is easy. In the same way, the interval you take the minus 3 to minus 1. Can you do it? It's not very difficult, no? It's not very difficult. I think so. You can do it. So I'm moving to the next problem. Just hint I have given to you. 11th problem. The question is given that it is given that what is given? X is equals to 1. the function attains the maximum value on the interval. If x is equals to 1, the function is attains the maximum value. So given function is f of x is equals to x power 4 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9. Okay, this is a function and it is having the maximum value at 1 can pass maximum value already there. So that is f dash of x you need to find out. F dash of x is equals to 4x cube minus 124x plus a plus 0. So it is having a, as it is given that maximum value is there at 1. So it is given maximum value is f x is equals to 1. So therefore what you have to do, f dash of 1 will be is equals to 0. So one substitute in the given function f dash of 1, you are going to get the required. So what is the value you are going to get if you substitute 1 here? 4 minus 124 plus a is equals to 0. Okay. So from this you are going to get the a value. I think a is equals to 120. So that is only the question asking you. Okay. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
It's very simple problem. It's not very difficult. And next, coming to the next problem, the problem is little bit different. So find the maximum value, minimum value of the function f of x is equals to x plus sine 2x. X plus sine 2x on closed interval 0 to 2 pi. So what you have to do first? Derivative you have to find out usually. So f dash of x is equals to 1 plus, what do you get? Yes, tell me.
1 plus 2 cos x 2x.
2?
Sorry, 1 plus 2 cos 2x.
Very good. 1 plus 2 cos 2x. So this you have to make it equals to 0. To find out? To find out?
Maxima and minima.
Nah. Why we are making equals to 0?
To find the critical point.
Yes, very good. We have to find out the critical points. So cos 2x is equals to minus 1 by 2, you will get it. And minus 1 by 2, where you are going to have the minus value. Cos pi by 3. Minus cos pi by 3. So here minus is there. So you can write this as a cos 2x is equals to cos pi minus pi by 3. Isn't it? So that is nothing but cos 2 pi by 3. So not only it's 2 pi by 3. When it's 2 pi by 3 is nothing but what is the value of the 2 pi by 3? Where in which quadrant it lies? 2 pi by 3. Can you say in which quadrant 2 pi by 3 lies? Why pi minus pi by 3 is taken? Why pi minus pi by 3 is taken? Yes, tell me. Why pi minus pi by 3 is taken? Don't know. Why it is taken pi minus pi by 3 is my question. Correct? Because basic thing is minus cos it is given to you. Here it is given to you minus cos pi by 3 you got it, isn't it? Yeah, minus cos pi by 3. Okay. So minus cos pi by 3 whenever you are getting, cos will be negative in which quadrant? Cos will be positive in the first quadrant and fourth quadrant. In the second and third quadrant it is negative. So second quadrant में लेना है तो ये, if you take into consider like this quadrant, okay, wait, like this quadrant if you are taking this pi, in this quadrant if you want pi minus you have to take. So pi minus pi by 3. In this quadrant if you want to take, even here if you take in this place pi plus pi by 3 also you are going to get the right answer. Pi plus pi by 3 also. Pi plus pi by 3 will give you 4 pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3 will give you 4 pi by 3. But here everything if you are going on taking like that, the problem becomes little bit lengthy. So the minimum value better you take it. So now when cos trigonometric equations, whenever you are taking cos x equal to cos y means x equal to cos x equal to cos y means x equal to 2 n pi plus or minus y. See here, this one cos x is equals to cos y implies x is equals to 2 n pi plus or minus y. So this is the thing. So here in this place cos 2x hai, cos 2 pi by 3 hai. So from this what you are going to get, 2x is equals to 2 n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3. Isn't it? समझ में आया? And but here 2x value is there. So x is equals to what do you get? N pi plus or minus pi by 3. So x is equals to n pi plus or minus pi by 3 will be the critical points. But that points should be in the interval of 0 to 2 pi only. That point should be in the interval of 0 to 2 pi. So in the interval of 0 to 2 pi, if you are taking into consider, so x is equals to क्या आएगा? X is equals to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Okay, still n is equals to, you take 0. N equal to 0 substitute karo, you are going to get pi by 3. N equals to 0 if you are taking, because n equal to 1 if you are taking, what do you get? Pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 is nothing but 2 pi by 3. And here 1 if you are taking, plus also you have to, pi plus pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3 is nothing but 4 pi by 3. Isn't it? N equal to 2 you take. N equal to 2 if you are taking, 2 pi minus pi by 3. So what do you get? 6 pi minus 5 pi. 6 pi minus pi. You are going to get 5 pi. Okay. This is okay. And sir, 2 pi plus pi by 3 also you are going to get. If you take 2 pi plus pi by 3, what is 7 pi by 3? 7 pi by 3 also liquid. Can I write? No. Why? 7 pi by 3 is not in this interval. A interval में नहीं है. 7 pi by 3. 7 pi by 3 is not in this interval. Okay. Did you get my point? ये समझ में आया ना? So only these points are the critical points. Now here what is the question asking to you? Maximum and minimum value. So whenever maximum and minimum value, if it is asking to you, in all these points, function value find out karo, except including 0 and 2 pi. That part I am leaving for you. I think you can do it. It's not very difficult. Otherwise, if you want, then I will explain to you that also. Like all the आधा करके पूरा छोड़ रहे बोल के you may think. So first pi by 3 you have to take. Pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. Still what? Yeah. What are the points to be taken? In which function you have to substitute? In this function. X plus 2 sin 2x. X plus sin 2x. Is it okay? In that function you have to substitute. Okay. So if you substitute in this function, what are this one? Pi by 3 how to substitute? 2 pi by 3 how to substitute? 4 pi by 3 how to substitute? 5 pi by 3 how to substitute? And along with that 0 and 2 pi also how to substitute. So if you substitute all these, okay, what value you are going to get? Let us see. Check that. F of pi by 3. What is the function? X plus sin 2x. So x is nothing but pi by 3 plus sin 2x is nothing but sin 2 by 3. So pi by 3 value is pi by 3. And sin 2 pi by 3 value is... yes, anyone? Sin 2 pi by 3. Sine 2 pi by 3 value. What is the value of sine 2 pi by 3? What is the value of sine 2 pi by 3?
Root 1.
Hmm?
So, root 3 by 2.
Yes. Root 3 by 2. Why? Because sine 2 pi by 3 can be written as and pi minus pi by 3. Isn't it? Pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3, sine pi minus pi by 3 is nothing but sine pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 लिख सकते हैं ना 2 pi by 3. So that is already it is shown pi minus pi by 3 only here. How did we get this one? ये कैसे आया है? Pi by 3 कैसे आया? Pi minus pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 कैसे आया है? Pi plus pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 कैसे आया? 2 pi minus pi by 3. Isn't it? Sorry. ये pi minus pi by 3, pi plus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. No. 4 pi by 3 के लिए pi plus pi by 3. A pi by 3 we are going to get directly 0 substitute करना. So here pi by at the place of pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 value if you want to find out, sine 2 pi by 3 value is sine pi minus pi by 3. Sine pi minus pi by 3, sine pi by 3. Pi by 3 value 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees value root 3 by 2. That's all. So next in the same way, sine 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 substitute kar lo. If you substitute 2 pi by 3, the function value 2 pi by 3 plus sine 4 pi by 3 or so this value is equals to this value is equals to 2 pi by 3 plus sine 4 pi. Sine 4 pi by 3 is nothing but pi plus pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3 is nothing but there is will be in the third quadrant. अपना third quadrant में रहता है, इधर रहता है इस प्लेस पे, isn't it? Third quadrant में. So third quadrant में sin is negative, isn't it? ये तो negative है, so negative आ जाए. So negative value 2 pi by 3 को क्या है? Root 3 by 5 whenever you are taking. So minus root 3 by 2. So you are going to get this is equals to 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. F of another value is what? 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 substitute. And if you substitute 4 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 plus sine 2 pi. So 8 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 plus 8 pi by 3 value also root 3 by 2. 4 pi by 3. Sorry, either 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3. Next, the another 5 pi by 3, another value. So 5 pi by 3. Along with this, the value of the function is 5 pi by 3 plus sine 10 pi by 3. Sine 10 pi by 3 value again minus root 3 by 2. And along with this 0 and 2 pi also you have to find substitute, which is equals to sine 0 value 0, 0 plus 0, and f of what should be taken? 2 pi should be taken 2 pi, f of 2 pi. So 2 pi is equals to sine 2 pi plus sine 4 pi. Sine 4 pi value, can anyone say? How many are you say? Let's see. What's the value?
Sir, 0.
Very simple logic है, how to remember. ये आपका दिमाग में हर बार ये coordinate system आना है. This you need to get into your mind. आपका दिमाग में ये आना. So if you get this into your mind, ये है 0, ये pi by 2 इधर. This is 3 pi by 2. 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, again pi, sorry 2 pi. आप घूम रहे तो इधर 5 pi by 2, next 3 pi, इधर आया तो 7 pi by 2, next 4 pi. So here what you are going to have in this quadrant? 0, 2 pi, 4 pi. So on that you know that this point value 0, 1 0, 1. Is it 0, 1? Is it 0, 1? Array. What happened? A simple question I am asking. I am not asking something complicated. Is it visible to you what I am writing? मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ वो visible है? Only one. Yes, tell me. X-axis में y coordinate is 0. So that simple thing you don't know. And you are trying to say, but not audible to me. That doesn't matter. Sometimes it happens. There's network problem होगा. समझ में आया ना? So ये value 1 का. So that's why that is 0 you are doing. ये cast है, ये sign है, ये cast है. So this thing you remember any value if it is asking mostly you can give the answer. This is the basic mathematics trigonometric student. You need to know that. Okay. So if the value is 2 pi. So now in all this which is maximum? In all this which is maximum? Can anyone say?
सर एक बार क्वेश्चन फिर से रिपीट देना.
What is the maximum value in all these? ये इसमें ये है एक value. मैं सर्किल कर रहा हूँ. This is a value. 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 ये सर्किल वाला क्वेश्चन मीन्स maximum value क्या? How do you identify? ये भी एक क्वेश्चन है. करना इतना सिंपल नहीं है. But if you discuss it, it takes some time. Cool? Tell me, which is the maximum value? What is the maximum value? In all these, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. In all this, what is the maximum value? Yes, tell me. 2 pi. Isn't it? 2 pi होगा. How do you know 2 pi? See here, a simple logic is that is it connected or disconnected? Oh, need two numbers. And what is the network problem? Vipasha, can you hear me? Sampa, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
No? Okay. So here the maximum value is 2 pi and it attains at the points of 2. And the minimum value is 0. Because if you compare the value, this is ये 2 pi से कम है this value. 5 pi by 3 value 2 pi से कम. And from that only root 3 by 2 is subtracting. So that is less than 2 pi by 3 you can say. Even this also same way. And if you compare these two, this one and this one and this one, it's a 2 pi is more. If you want, you substitute the pi value as a 3.14 approximately, and these values you substitute in that, substitute that, then after you will come to it. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 2 pi is a maximum value, 0 is the minimum value. So this is the question. समझ में आया ना ये problem? So next question, see here, 13th one. So the question is given to you, find the two numbers. This is actually now here onwards your applications, original applications of derivative starts from this problem. From this problem onwards, original applications of derivative starts. So find the two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. The question is, sum is 24 and the product is as large as possible. So उसका product को maximum करना है. So what is the maximum value of the product of the two numbers? So ये normal question देख के समझना थोड़ा सा different होता है. So what to do here in that situation? You consider the two numbers. One number is a x consider, and other number is obviously sum 24 means 24 minus x. Then the product of two numbers is x into 24 minus x. This should be, we have to make it as a maximum. We have to make it as a maximum. So here in this situation, whenever you take it to consider maximum value, so what to write? Let the two numbers. Let the two numbers be x comma 24 minus x. X comma 24 minus x. ये minus x नहीं दिख रहा है. Then the product of function you consider. Then the product of two numbers. F of x is equals to x into 24 minus x. So this you consider f of x is equals to 24x minus x square. 24x minus x square. Isn't it? What to do now? Critical point find out. So f dash of x is equals to 0 level. This implies what do you get? 24 minus 2x. This is equals to 0 aega. From this x is equals to 2. So only one critical point you have. So the function is defined in a, this function is, what is the domain of this function? What is the domain of this function? Aman, what is the domain of that function? Real numbers. Set of real numbers. Because it's a polynomial function. It's a polynomial function, set of real numbers will be the domain of the given function. So if you are taking this one into the consideration, real numbers can, it is not a closed interval. And moreover, here second derivative test is better you use. Why second derivative test? Only single point you are going to get. At this point, whether there is a maxima or minima to find out. So f double dash of x find out. What is f double dash of x you will get? 24 you are going to get, which is greater than 0. Isn't it? वो सही है ना? F double dash of x what do you get? 24 आएगा. You are not observing. 0 minus 0 minus 2, because ये इसको डेरिवेटिव करो 0 आएगा, इसका डेरिवेटिव करो 2 आएगा, 0 minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is nothing but minus 2. Minus 2 is less than 0. It is less than 0. So when it is less than 0, by second derivative test, you can say that f of x have at x is equals to 12, f of x have maximum. The question is asking, इसको maximize करना है. Directly question is not asking. What is the maximum? Means find the two numbers. Product to maximum करना है. sum should be is equals to 24, and product we have to make it as a maximum, as large as possible. All the problems will be like this only from here onwards. So इसको maximum करना है, वो maximum exist हो रहा है already, so it is going to have the maximum value, isn't it? Okay, so now here whenever you by the second derivative test, so what you have to do at that particular point 12, what is the value you are going to have, the function value at that particular value 12, what you are going to have. So by the second derivative test, you can say that the product of two numbers is maximum at x is equals to, here what is the find the two numbers बोल रहे हैं ना, so at x is equals to 12 means f of 12 is not necessary to, the product maximum product कितना है वो find out करने के लिए नहीं बोल रहे हैं. What is asking you to find out here? Normally आप लोग गलत क्या करते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स यही गलत करते हैं ये प्रॉब्लम. सपोज इफ इट इज गिवन फॉर द 2 मार्क्स, द मिस्टेक इज f of 12 फाइंड आउट करते हैं छोड़ देते हैं, बिकॉज़ बाकी सब प्रॉब्लम में ऐसे करते हैं. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज नॉट आस्किंग हियर, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट आस्किंग, व्हाट इज द maximum product is which is asking f of 12 find out करना है. What are the numbers asking? So at what point the maximum will exist, at what point the maximum will exist, that point should be taken into consideration. So this is a point, so that the numbers क्या होगा, one number इसमें substitute करना है. Here it is f of 12 is not necessary to you to find out, so therefore the numbers are, क्वेश्चन थोड़ा समझ में आना, नंबर्स आर 12, 24 minus 12, so that is nothing but 12, 12. So the this product, ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट यही ज्यादा होता है 12, 12 if you are taking it. So here if you take into consider these values will be the maximum. You take, you generally आप चाहे तो without using the applications of derivative also you can do it. How मान ले एक नंबर, अदर नंबर क्या है 23, दोनों का प्रोडक्ट क्या है 23 अप्रोक्सीमेटली. 2 ले लो, अनदर नंबर क्या है 22, दोनों का प्रोडक्ट क्या है 44. 3 ले लो, चेक करना है, यू हैव टू चेक. इफ यू नॉट चेक लाइक दिस देन यू कैन नॉट. ओके, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड?
यस सर.
समझ में आया ना? चेक करो, चेक करना है तो चेक कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज you can. Second, next question is asking you that find the two positive numbers x and y such that sum is x plus y is equals to 60 and xy cube is maximum. So that is nothing but here in this what you have to do, the question is given to you, question is given, sorry 14th. Here this question is given that x plus y is equals to 60. This implies y is equals to 60 minus x. Y is equals to 60 minus x. Okay. F of x is equals to क्या है? F of x is equals to x y cube is given. In the place of y you substitute 60 minus x. F of x is equals to क्या है? X into 60 minus x whole. Got it? X into 60 minus x whole cube. Now what to do? Derivative to find out the critical points. Critical points find out करना है, derivative find out करना है, f dash of x के साथ f double dash of x भी find out करना है to use the second derivative. कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये क्यूब है, थोड़ा मीन्स यू में consider the UV method apply करो here. Product means two functions का product का form में है. So first derivative of the x is 1 and 60 minus x whole cube is as it is. Next xc you write as it is and 60 minus x whole cube find out कर लो, उसका derivative करना है, उसका derivative. So what do you get? X into 3x square. So 360 minus x whole square into minus 1. Isn't it? ये तो समझ में आया ना f dash of x. Okay. So here, yes. Tell me. Come on.
तो UV के फॉर्म में
Okay.
F dash
You can expand. Yes, you can expand. I think your voice is not audible to me. I think you are asking that question. If sir, if I want to expand this one, why you ask? That is only you are asking. No?
सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप ये यूवी के फॉर्म में एक्सपेंड
कट हो रहा है, आपका आवाज कट हो रहा है.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है मैं समझ रहा हूँ सर मुझे आपका आवाज आ रहा है
So my
Not audible. You are asking. UV फॉर्म में क्या है? ये U E V मींस टू फंक्शंस होता है तो उसका डेरिवेटिव, इसका डेरिवेटिव करना है तो UV डेरिवेटिव क्या है? U dash V plus V U dash, isn't it? हाँ, ये तो सही है ना? This is only I am using here. Okay, I think your voice is not audible to me. It's not clear. Okay. So next what you get? You can take here simplify करना है तो इसको simplify करो. Simplify करना है तो 60 minus x whole square common ले लो. इधर 60 minus x मिलेगा, इधर minus 3x. So you are going to get it as a 60 minus x whole square, 60 minus 4x you are going to get. Okay. So from this you can find out the critical points. Critical points find out करते हैं बाद में करते हैं if double dash f find करो because ये use करना है ना, इसको दोबारा डेरिवेटिव करना है ना. So to use the second derivative test. Second derivative test use करके already it is given that maximum value होगा, but at what point maximum होगा? You need to find out that you have to make x y cube as a maximum. Make x y cube as a maximum is something that. But here critical point is one point you are going to get x equal to 60 you are going to get. The other point is 4x equal to 60 is nothing but x equal to 15 you are going to get. X equal to 15 and x equal to 60. But one place में maximum हो सकता है, other place में minimum भी हो सकता है. There is a chance. So at which point you are going to have the maximum minimum to find out if double dash of x is needed to us. If double dash of x to find out करना है. So let us find out f double dash of x here itself. F double dash of x. ये UV method use करोगे. Okay. First term को derivative करो. If you are derivating minus 2 of 60 minus x आएगा because minus x is there here. Note that point. And 60 minus 4x is as it is. Okay. ये okay ना? Next 60 minus 4x derivative करो. What do you get? Minus 4 आएगा. And 60 minus x whole square. इसको simplify करना है. What you can take the common? Minus 2 of 60 minus x. You can take the common. Yes. Minus 2 of 60 minus x you can take the common. So what is left over? 60 minus 4x is left over left side. And when you take minus is taken common here. So plus it is going to get your 2 into 60 minus x. इसको simplify करो. So what do you get here? Minus 2 into 60 minus x, 60 minus 4x plus 120 minus 2x. So 180 minus 6x you are getting. So f double dash of x is equals to minus 2 into 60 minus x into 180 minus 6x. 180 minus 6x. And from 180 minus 6x, 6 you can take the common. बाहर 12 लिखो, 6 common ले लिया तो 12 आ जाएगा. 60 minus x. What is taken common? 6 is taken common. So 30 minus x. Because in this x value substitute कर लिया तो easily आ जाएगा. So next critical points. Actually critical points usually in all the problems we found first only. You can do. That doesn't matter. It is not mandatory that you need to do the critical points first only. And after second derivative is find it. ये तो okay. So that is not the matter. You can do the in any. So find out critical points. F dash of x is equals to 0. So what is f dash of x here? 60 minus x whole square. 60 minus x whole square. 60 minus 4x. This is equals to 0. So this implies x equal to 60 comma 15 you are given. So in these places you need to find out f double dash of x value. So f double dash of x, f double dash of x value, x is 60 substitute. f double dash of x क्या आया, -12 into 60 minus 6, थोड़ा याद रखो, -12 into 60 minus x 60 and 30 minus x. So 30 minus x is 60 here. So what do you get in this one? This complete p is equals to 0 आ जाएगा. So what if f double dash of x 0? If you get, what you can say? Another point to find out. So what do you get? -12 into 60 minus 15, 30 minus 15. So value no need to find out. Whether you will get positive or negative if necessary. इसको पूरा find out करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay? पूरा find out करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just you find out negative or positive. ये negative हो जाएगा. Negative हो गया तो by the second derivative test you can see that by the second derivative test at x is equals to 15, at x is equals to 15, f of x have maximum, because less than 0 na, less than 0 na, as it is less than 0 it is going to have the maximum value. So and here the question is what? We need to find out the maximum value. No, x and y values we have to find. X is equals to 15, therefore y is equals to 60 minus x. So 60 minus 15, 45. So x is equals to 15 and y is equals to 45. If you are taking into consider at these places the function is going to have the means x y cube will be the maximum. X y cube will be the maximum. Okay.
Sir.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
क्वेश्चन पेज नंबर 6 निकाल लिए सर देखें.
क्या
पेज नंबर 6 मतलब पहले वाला नहीं आपने जो अभी लिखा है उसका
ओ इसका पेज नंबर 6. ओके. बोलो.
हाँ ये जो सर जो f डबल डैश x है ना इक्वल टू जो -2 आ रहा है वो माइनस क्यों आएगा? x होल पर वो तो 2 आपने आ जाएगा तो वो माइनस क्यों आ रहा है सर?
अरे इधर देखो ये पहला स्टेप में ये स्टेप में पूछ रहा है
f डबल डैश x. हाँ f डबल डैश
ये दिस वन मैं रेड कलर में हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ ना उसको पूछ रहे हैं. हाँ सो नॉर्मली व्हाट टू डू हियर इसका डेरिवेटिव करना है ना. हाँ सो इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x स्क्वायर. हाँ सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x स्क्वायर यू आर टेकिंग 2x बट x इज हैविंग अगेन 60 minus x का भी डेरिवेटिव करना है ना. हाँ x कोएफिशिएंट व्हाट इज x कोएफिशिएंट you tell me normally simply 60 minus x derivative क्या है? What is the derivative of 60 minus x?
1 I think 60 का कुछ.
अरे इसका डेरिवेटिव 0 है इधर -1 होगा ना.
हाँ अच्छा हाँ समझ आया हाँ समझ हाँ वो 60 minus x है तो वो minus x का वो -2 समझ आया
हाँ वो माइनस आ रहा है because 60 minus x completely x मान लो x square differentiation is 2x. X square differentiation is 2x. Derivative of x square. But that x is again you have to derivate. You have to find the derivative of that function.
हाँ समझ आ गया.
So that is very good. At least if you are asking like this, I feel the class will be a little bit effective. Okay.
Class. Yes, sir. मैं आप